Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to sort your Steam games by size on your PC or in your disk. So let's get started. So what you want to do is open up Steam and go to your library. If you don't know how to get to this page, you just go library and home. Now when you're here, scroll all the way down till you see all games. Now when you have done that, click here and now choose size on disk, and when you have done that it even says and sorts them by size on your disk. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.